Philip Jefferson is not only a Fed governor, but also an accomplished economist who has devoted much of his career to studying the effects of monetary policy on poverty and inequality. He has been a president of the National Economic Association, a professional organization that promotes the advancement of economic research by minorities and underrepresented groups. He has also been a professor at Davidson College and Swarthmore College, where he taught courses on macroeconomics, money and banking, in economic development. In his academic work, he has explored how monetary policy can affect different segments of society, such as low-income households, women, and racial minorities. He has also examined the causes and consequences of poverty in the U.S. and abroad, and proposed policies to reduce it. As the vice chair of the Fed, he is expected to bring his expertise and insights to the central bank's decision-making process, especially as it faces the challenges of high inflation and uneven recovery from the pandemic. As a member of the Federal Reserve Board of Governors, Philip Jefferson plays a crucial role in setting the monetary policy for the United States. He is also the newly appointed vice chair of the Fed, succeeding Lael Brainerd, who left to join the Biden administration. Jefferson has been a consistent supporter of the Fed's gradual tightening of monetary policy since he took office in May 2022. He has voted for each of the interest rate increases approved by the Fed since then, and has argued against raising the Fed's 2% inflation target. He believes that keeping inflation expectations anchored at 2% is essential for maintaining the credibility and effectiveness of the Fed. However, Jefferson has also expressed concern about the slowdown in core inflation and the banking crisis that has affected several regional institutions. Core inflation, which excludes food and energy prices, has been running below 2% for most of 2023, despite strong economic growth and low unemployment. Jefferson has said that this trend is discouraging, and that he is closely monitoring the underlying factors that are holding back inflation. The banking crisis, which started in late 2022 with the collapse of several small and medium-sized banks in the Midwest and South, has also been a source of worry for Jefferson. He has called for more regulatory oversight and supervision of these banks, as well as more coordination among federal and state agencies to prevent further contagion and instability. He has also stressed the importance of maintaining adequate capital and liquidity buffers for all banks, especially in times of stress. Jefferson's views on monetary policy and banking regulation are likely to have a significant impact on the economy as he assumes his new role as vice chair. He will be working closely with Fed Chair Jerome Powell, who is expected to be reappointed by President Biden for another term. Together, they will face the challenges of navigating a post-pandemic recovery, managing inflationary pressures, and ensuring financial stability.